Hello everybody, this is Mark Schreier with Century 21 American Homes Real Estate with 3 simple tips to help you get your house sold this spring, costing you practically $0. First one, curb appeal. You want to improve the curb appeal of your house. Take a walk outside, look at it from the curb, that's the name, curb appeal, and see what needs to be cleaned, see what needs to be cut. If the lawn is overgrown, trim it. If the shrubs are overgrown, manicure them as well. You could do that on your own, costing you nothing, or you can hire your local landscaper for under, I don't know, $100, $150. It's called the spring cleanup. Number 2, walk up to the front door, open the door, check out the knob. If it's all worn out, a simple $50 doorknob replaced can make a big difference. The door, if it's all scratched up, worn out, a $20 can of paint, paint it a light neutral color. So you have lawn manicured, door cleaned and painted if necessary, and replace the doorknob if necessary. Number 2, once we get into the house, clutter. You want to declutter, get rid of the dog toys or the cat toys. Baby toys, it's fun for people to know, and it's nice for them to know that you have a child, but not to see the toys all over the place. The last thing you want to do is to be tripping on something when you're walking through the house. So declutter that. Take a lot of it, put it in closets, put it in the garage, hide it somewhere so it's not noticeable for other people when they come in the house. Number 3, clean, clean, clean. A clean house is a house that people want to buy. If they see dirt all over the place, if you have a stove that's 10 years old and there's grease everywhere, it's a turn off. If they walk into the bathroom and they see things growing everywhere, it's a turn off. If you don't like cleaning, hire a local cleaning person to get it professionally done and take care of that. Trust me, there's nothing more than a turn off than seeing dirt when people are walking through your home. To review, curb appeal, manicure the lawn, take care of your grass or shrubs. 2, declutter, and most importantly, clean, clean, clean. This is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you soon.